Shaukat Ali, who seems to be labeling Kawadiyas as terrorists. Now, the AIMIM Neta has drawn the terrorist analogy where he seems to be likening Kawadiyas to terrorists and saying that they are the Kawadiyas who are the ones who are defaming the Hindu religion.
अब मुझे लग रहा है कि वो जो कांवड़िए है ना वो हिंदू नहीं है। हमको लगता है कि वो बनावटी हिंदू हैं और हिंदू धर्म को वो बदनाम कर रहे हैं। तो योगी जी को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए इस चीज़ को, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था कि भाई हमारे कांवड़ियों को बदनाम किया जा रहा है और ये बड़े अनुशासित लोग हैं। हिंदू धर्म बड़ा अनुशासित है। यकीनन हर धर्म अनुशासित होता है, लेकिन उस धर्म को मानने वाला जो होता है ना वो अनुशासन को तोड़ता है। तो ये जो तथाकथित कांवड़िए है ना, इनका इलाज बस एक ही है, इनको ले जाकर के जेल के अंदर डालना चाहिए, इनके ऊपर मुकदमा करना चाहिए।
Well, let's get in a word from Adib now. Adib, what kind of a statement is this in the first place? As far as one Neta is concerned, to label Kawadiyas as terrorists, we've seen all sort of name calling that has been done, right from goons to mafias to even terrorists now.
Well, definitely, Amita, see a shocking statement from AIMIM leader in Uttar Pradesh. His name is Shaukat Ali. And while he was speaking, he goes on to address the Kawadiyas as terrorists. He says that the Kawadiyas, they are goons, they are mafia, and even they are terrorists. And these terrorists should be put behind bars. They should be sent to jail. So it's a shocking statement coming from the AIMIM leader, Shaukat Ali. While the Kawad Yatra is ongoing in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, both the governments are making arrangements for peaceful and better Kawad Yatras, but there are leaders from time and again who are trying to defame the Kawad Yatra. And now, after the leaders like Swami Prasad Maurya and some leaders from Samajwadi Party, it's the AIMIM leader who is questioning the Kawad Yatra and is naming the Kawadiyas as a terrorist. Now, the people, the religious sees, they have been saying that Kawad Yatra is a devotional, long journey in which people walk from around 250 kilometers to 300 kilometers barefoot. And now a leader from Uttar Pradesh is naming them as a terrorist, calling them and saying that these Kawadiyas should be put behind bars.
Once again, as far as the leader from the AIMIM is concerned, he says that these are the Kawadiyas who seem to be defaming the Hindu religion, likening them to terrorists and demanding for their arrest. Listen in.
अब मुझे लग रहा है कि वो जो कांवड़िए है ना वो हिंदू नहीं है। हमको लगता है कि वो बनावटी हिंदू हैं और हिंदू धर्म को वो बदनाम कर रहे हैं। तो योगी जी को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए इस चीज़ को, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था कि भाई हमारे कांवड़ियों को बदनाम किया जा रहा है और ये बड़े अनुशासित लोग हैं। हिंदू धर्म बड़ा अनुशासित है। यकीनन हर धर्म अनुशासित होता है, लेकिन उस धर्म को मानने वाला जो होता है ना वो अनुशासन को तोड़ता है। तो ये जो तथाकथित कांवड़िए है ना, इनका इलाज बस एक ही है, इनको ले जाकर के जेल के अंदर डालना चाहिए, इनके ऊपर मुकदमा करना चाहिए।
Well, as far as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is concerned, he time and again has reiterated his statement that there are certain people who are trying to defame the Kawad Yatris and action would be taken against them. And he has been saying that we have to keep in mind when there is enthusiasm and there is also excitement, but there is faith and devotion. And some elements, Adib, are constantly trying to disturb the enthusiasm and to defame the devotion and faith, because he's been saying that there are certain antisocial elements who are attempting to malign and to defame the Kawad Yatra.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, Shaukat Ali says that there are some elements who are trying to defame the Hindu religion. And then he goes on to brand the entire Kawadiyas as the terrorists. He says that the Kawadiyas, they are terrorists and they should be put behind bars. But we have leaders like Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, from time and again, he has been saying that there are people in the society who are trying to create divisions by making such statements. Whether we have the leaders of Samajwadi Party, whether we have
like the Yatra, we almost on an annual basis we witness such controversial statements that have been made by Netas, calling them as rowdy, antisocial elements, to goons, to mafias, now even likening them to terrorists. This is a shocking statement coming in from a leader from the AIMIM. For the moment, thank you very much, Adib, for joining in.